this is the power jack. Option 1, you're gonna step out, double tap in, step out, double tap in. Swinging the booty back, nice tight core. Option 2, hop out, 1 hop in. Hop out, 1 hop in. Make sure you're taking the pause. Option 3, drop, double hop, drop, double hop, drop, double hop. If you want to get a little bit more intense, double hop and drop, double hop and drop. So on that last hop, you're gonna launch and drop, launch and drop. Again, option 1, drop, double tap, drop, double tap. Option 2, drop, and in, drop, and in, drop, and in. Option 3, drop, double hop, drop, double hop, double hop. Option 4, drop, and launch, drop, and launch, drop, and launch, drop. Last one, launch, and that's your power jack.